just around the corner, and here's a few things you might need for the 3-day stay.
Let's start with the laptop. First, you're going to need your laptop for registration and looking up classes before you see your advisor.
Charger, too, because that's important.
Cell phone, always a must, with a charger. An umbrella for the rainy weather, just so you're always prepared. Spending money for the bookstore to get your new Hofstra swag. A water bottle so you can stay hydrated through those long days. Your government-issued ID or some form of ID so that you can get your Hof card. Any medicine that you may need, shampoo or conditioner, and a toothbrush and toothpaste.
Other toiletries as well.
Your pajamas for when you stay overnight. If you're part of the dance department, bring your dance clothes so that you can come to a mock class. A sweatshirt or some form of jacket to keep you warm. We do have air conditioning in our classroom. Some workout clothes in case you choose to take advantage of the fitness center here at Hofstra while you're here. And some sheets and blankets for your bed when you're staying overnight.
Hofstra's beds are twin XL. Oh boy. And now you're ready for orientation.